Hi, I'm Brandon Reyes with True Ball Release and AXCEL sites, and I got another new AXCEL Archery product that I want to show you today. It's the new TriLock adjustable V-bar bracket. In previous videos, I've shown the new TriLock adjustable offset bracket, and there's a lot of very similar patent pending features on the V-bar bracket as well, but I want to show you how they work and what actually comes with the product in the package. As you can see here, you'll see what you'll get. You'll get the actual V-bar bracket itself. You'll get 2 barrel nuts, one for each stabilizer hole. You'll get an 1¼ inch bolt. You'll get a 3/4 inch bolt, and then you'll get one of the eye bolts that you see here on that we've attached one of our V-bar brackets up to our bow with already. This is a all hardened stainless steel part for the most strength and security you can get to ensure that your product doesn't move on your bow. The patent pending TriLock adjustable V-bar bracket gets its name by these 3 raised surfaces along this bracket. After spraying this with powder, I've inserted it into the mating piece and pulled it out to show you that the raised surfaces are the points of contact within this bracket piece. That gives us the most possible secure setting when I tighten my bolt up to ensure that my product doesn't move on the bracket. So you'll find that on your points of attachment here that keep your bars tight. So that's the TriLock. The next patent pending idea that we have is the anchor grip. The anchor grip is going to be found on both sides of this V-bar bracket, on the top and the bottom. And always remember that if you're adjusting your anchor grip, you're going to start by loosening the anchor grip bolt first. And then you can actually make your adjustment with your bar. So this is going to be your X movement, and I must add that that X movement is going to be, the reason that there's 2 locks for that is because that's where you're going to see the most movement with gravity and the amount of weight on your bars pulling it in a downward motion. So now that I've snugged that up, I'll snug my anchor grip up, and that will ensure the tightest possible settings for both of those pieces. On the bottom here is how you're going to adjust your in and out movement, and this simply has just one locking bolt, so you'll want to loosen that, and then you'll be able to move your V-bar system in or out depending on which direction you want to go. This can move all the way around. If you're going to switch it from a right-handed or left-handed, you can attain most of this with adjusting those pieces. If I get my anchor grip in a position that I can't get enough up or down movement, the whole idea behind it is to have the ability to loosen and select a new set of teeth. The teeth are what gives us added strength and a secondary lock. Now this secondary lock in this anchor grip alone by itself in the furthest down position like this is strong enough to maintain stabilizers of any weight by itself, but we've added a secondary lock as well to just ensure that those movements are not going to move at all. So to further demonstrate the anchor grip, you can see that there are teeth here, and these teeth can be moved in different locations, and no matter what tooth setting that I select, I'm still going to get 45 degrees of adjustment. And there's sprays of lines and reference marks, so you can choose what number best fits your setup. So that is the anchor grip, and the anchor grip can be found on the V-bar bracket on both sides, so you have the same adjustability with the same spray of lines to be able to get them exactly in the same location on both sides of the bow. So that's that, and the last main feature that I want to show you is the center lock. This is the center lock quick disconnect, and it's going to be the same type of system with the barrel nut that has a flanged edge on the side here and a flat surface on the other. This allows you, when you put your bars in, to have to make a full rotation to take your bar off the V-bar bracket. So this is going to ensure any loosening of the bar is not going to actually allow the bar to fall off. So that's a cool feature in the new center lock, And there's a separate video that demonstrates the center lock and the way it works on our website as well. The only other feature that I want to go over with is, in fact, the hardened stainless steel eye bolt that's going to be coming with all of these. Now there are numerous different ways you can set this up on your bow, recurve or compound, but I'm specifically going to talk about the recurve here because that's where most of these eye bolts are going to be used. The eye bolts are used with extenders, extending a small 3/5 extension. It's going to allow you to do that and still mount into the back of the eye bolt. But there are other ways you can set that up, and that's the reason why we have included the 1/4" bolt. And the 1/4" bolt is going to allow us to use the quick disconnect in correlation with our adjustable V-bar bracket. So now, if I've got the center lock offset or quick disconnect, I'm going to put the 1/4" bolt through. This is going to ensure that I have enough thread engagement into my riser. And again, this would be without use of the eye bolt. It would simply be just attaching a quick disconnect to the riser for my stabilizer only. So this is another configuration that you can use, one of many, but this is in conjunction with the center lock quick disconnect and the adjustable V-bar bracket. So that's a cool feature. I believe that's the last option that I need to tell you about. These Allen wrenches will be coming with the actual product as well. Your 1/4" and then your 9/64 for the top and your adjustable anchor grip system. All of that comes with it. There is the option of a lanyard with this particular product. The lanyard material does not come with it. However, the holes are there and the screws are there if somebody wants to run a lanyard out the top or a wrist strap around the top to directly to their V-bar bracket. So this is the all-new TriLock adjustable V-bar bracket for recurves or compounds. For more information about this product, check us out at www.accelarchery.com.